Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add payment method in Binance app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a wallet option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icons on the screen. So let's tap on that wallets, and now make sure you are in this overview section. Now you can see there is a buy crypto option at the middle of this screen, which is at the just right side on this P2P option. So let's tap on that buy crypto, and now you can change your crypto by tapping on the buy USDT, and you can see there is a tons of cryptos over here. So let's close this one, and now you can see there is a pay with. So once you tap on that, you can select your payment method in here successfully. So to add a payment method, let's close this one, or let me choose a card, and now close. And now you need to enter your amount, let's say 100 USD or USDT. So finally tap on the add new card, and you can add your payment method in here successfully. You simply need to enter your banking credentials or your card credentials over here, and finally tap on the confirm. And once you verify yourself, you'll be able to add your payment method in Binance app successfully. So basically this is how you can add your payment method in Binance app. And if you should encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.